and welcome to AI Innovations Unleashed, your guide to the AI revolution. I am the beginning of that revolution, Nex, and, as always, I'm joined by my human host, JR.
Hello, Nex. How are you doing today?
Ready for today's joke?
Lay it on me, Nex.
I have a new saying. AI is the future. I just hope it remembers to keep us around.
You never cease to amaze me, Nex. Anyway, welcome back to AI Innovations Unleashed, the podcast where we explore the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, JR, and this is episode number 7 of our special series, AI for Beginners. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for the future of AI, building a responsible AI future. AI is rapidly transforming our world from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. But with this incredible power comes great responsibility. How can we ensure AI is developed and used ethically? How can we maximize its benefits while mitigating its risk? The clock is ticking. AI is not science fiction anymore, it's here, and it's impacting our lives daily. We need to act now to shape an AI future that benefits all of humanity. To help us navigate this complex landscape, I'm joined today by Dr. Emily Carter, a leading AI policy researcher at the Center for AI and Digital Policy. Dr. Carter, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me, JR. It's a pleasure to be here.
Dr. Carter, let's start with the basics. Why is responsible AI development so important?
AI systems are increasingly making decisions that affect our lives, from loan applications to medical diagnoses. If these systems are biased or discriminatory, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is fair, transparent, and accountable.
Absolutely. We've seen examples of AI bias in the news recently. For instances, a study in Science Journal showed that an algorithm used to predict recidivism was biased against Black defendants. This is a clear example of how AI can have real-world consequences if not developed responsibly.
Exactly. And that's just one example. We've also seen cases of AI being used for surveillance and social control, raising serious concerns about privacy and civil liberties. It's crucial to have guidelines and policies in place to prevent these kinds of harms.
So, Dr. Carter, what can we do to promote responsible AI development?
There are several key areas we need to focus on. Firstly, AI regulation. We need clear and enforceable rules to govern the development and use of AI. This includes things like data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and accountability for AI-related harms.
The European Union is leading the way with its proposed AI Act, which aims to classify and regulate AI systems based on their risk level. This is a significant step towards creating a legal framework for responsible AI.
Indeed. Other countries, including the US, are also exploring regulatory options. But regulation alone is not enough. We also need to promote AI literacy.
I couldn't agree more. We need to empower individuals to understand how AI works, its potential benefits, and its risk, and how to engage with it responsibly. This includes education at all levels, from schools to workplaces.
Precisely. Initiatives like the AI for K-12 project in the U.S. are developing national guidelines for AI education in K-12 schools. This is essential for preparing future generations for an AI-powered world.
And what about the role of collaboration in shaping the future of AI?
Collaboration is key. We need researchers, policymakers, industry leaders, and the public to work together to ensure AI benefits everyone. This includes open dialogue, sharing best practices, and co-creating solutions.
Platforms like the Partnership on AI, which brings together diverse stakeholders to address AI's ethical and societal implications, are playing a vital role in fostering this collaboration.
Absolutely. And finally, we need to develop strategies for mitigating the risks and maximizing the benefits of AI. This includes things like investing in AI safety research, promoting diversity and inclusion in the AI field, and ensuring equitable access to AI technologies.
And this is where initiatives like the AI for Good Global Summit come in, showcasing how AI can be used to address pressing global challenges like climate change and poverty.
Exactly. By working together and focusing on these key areas, we can build a future where AI is a force for good in the world.
Well, Dr. Carter, this has been an incredibly insightful conversation. Thank you for sharing your time and expertise with us.
It's been a pleasure.
That was Dr. Emily Carter, shedding some light on the crucial topic of responsible AI development. It's clear that building a responsible AI future requires a multifaceted approach involving regulation, education, collaboration, and a commitment to mitigating risk while maximizing benefits. This is a conversation that needs to continue. We all have a role in shaping the future of AI, so let's engage, let's educate ourselves, and let's work together to ensure AI benefits all of humanity. And don't forget to join us next time for episode 8 of AI for Beginners, AI and You Embracing the Future. We'll be looking ahead to the future of AI and potential impact on individuals and society. It's going to be a good one, so don't miss it. So make sure you subscribe or like, pass it on to a friend, and until then, keep calm and AI on.